Hello, traders. This is TFXS. Welcome to TFX family. I believe you had a great weekend, and we really thank God for that. And guys, today, there is something here I just want to show you and to present to you so that you can know you can start making money immediately. And for those people who purchased the Agatha on a weekend, guys, I just want you to contact me so that I can share with you the trading plan that I want you to use so that you can grow one of the account from $100. I just want to show you it's very easy and simple. And something that I want to do here, it is, there's people who say that, oh, Mr. DFX says, why did we favored, it's like we favored the manual people than the EA people because we said the Agatha manual system in the past 2 weeks, it will go with $170 because the manual system always is to $349. But this one we said we want to give with our $170 the manual system so that people can make money and afford to purchase our EA system. And don't say that our EA, they are very expensive. No, it's not expensive because we are willing to give people a free updates for lifetime. And if you can buy something like $500 and something that will change your financial status forever, guys, you don't have to complain because this is why we are here and this is why you are there, and we totally want to change your financial status. There is two favors I will do to people who purchased our EA, and this is for the people who purchased the Agatha. Even those people who purchased the Flacticon, there is people who purchased the Flacticon with $500 and the others with 3 Kings. And because it is the only Agatha that for now we managed to make it trade candles and Renko at the same time, or by the choice of trader. So you can trade it using candle or the Renko. So I think the Agatha is now number 1. Before we are still trying to see if the Flacticon can also do the same thing, because even the Flacticon is doing great in the market, guys. We still want to see if it can work also with the candles. Or if it will not work with the candles, there's no problem. We can work with the Agatha. And those people purchased the Flacticon, there's something I don't want you to miss here. So you can contact me and see how much we can give you with the Agatha EA, but the Agatha is $500. But there is a great favor here. We are going to give for the 2 account. We all give our EA for 1 account, but the other one for manual. But now this one, Agatha, will give people with 2 account for the EA and 1 account for live account. This I'm talking about the live account. About the demo, it's unlimited as long as the demo has the same names with the live account. So we will give 1 EA for 2 live accounts, because I just want us to do a simple mathematics here, and I don't want anyone to blow money, and I want everyone to make money. 1 EA, I would like you to set it in a cent account. And this is the project that I want to do with you guys. Set it in a cent account, and that cent account, don't deposit more than $100, because I just want you now. I want people to prove me wrong if I'm wrong, because here I'm totally confident, guys, that our system now are working great. Our system now, there is no joke unless you break the rules. If you follow the rules correctly, guys, you will surely make a good money. 1 account for $100. It is the account that I want you to grow that account until the broker said that maybe you are using juju, because surely you'll make from $100 to $10,000. Trust me, in a simple way. For those people, there is a time we shared about the trading plan, but the project, we didn't continue with the project because we were so busy and we wanted to make sure, first of all, we perfect our system correctly. And now confidently, the trading plan, very soon, it will be back. And for now, I just want people to do for themselves, because now we have the Agatha, which will do that for you. I will show you what to do there. So one account, it will be for the standard account that you have, whether you choose Renko or you will trade with the candles. There is no problem. They are all giving a good result. Now, and for the scalpers, this is a good news for the scalpers, guys. Professionally, you will trade professionally. So what we are going to do here, I will just show you, if you want to trade with the candle, the simple rules that you will use according to the system. And I would just give an example. Let me take this GBP USD. And I said, if you're using the candle, remember, you have to work with the two charts. So the one chart, make sure the first chart where you are picking signal from, it is from 4 hours time frame. And the second chart where you will attach your robot, it is in minute 15. Those are the people who will be trading with the candle. For the Renko side, there is nothing like that. You know what to do with the Renko. It's very simple. But for the candles, guys, you will choose one for the 4 hours, and you attach the robot in 15 minutes. This one for the 4 hours, guys, you will attach the handle, TAFX Agatha handle. That is where you will attach the handle when working with the EA. So this is what to do. And the other one for 15 minutes, it's where you will attach TAFX Agatha EA. So because now the robot will be picking the trades in this time frame, but the signal will be coming from 4 hours. So if 4 hours saying buy, it will only buy like this point, and this is why we have this thing at this point. Let me show something here before we proceed. This buy, and as you can see, there is a good support here, which was a resistance. People maybe thought that the market will drop, but you can see there is a good stairs here to show you that the market is going up. This system is so great. Let me show something here. Let me remove that here first so that we can draw our line correctly here. And I just want to show you something here. Oh, no, let's go to 4 hours. 4 hours time frame. Let us draw this support and see which, where is that support in minute 15. Let's go back to minute 15. Yes, as you can see, this is where our support is. This is where our support is. And let me select now the EA. I just wanted you to see exact from the template of handle where the 15 minutes is. Let's go to EA because we can see it is at this area, So this is where the robot will pick. This is where the robot will pick trades, guys. It will pick that trade here. The best thing is after picking the trade, there is where the supreme will take the profit. So in this EA, it's not a must to use a take profit or a stop loss, because we have tried all our best. Now it's saving your account more than ever and is securing the profit at the right time. As you can see, this is where our supreme appeared, and this means from this point, because this is where the robot took the buy. It took the buy to this point, and the moment market was thinking maybe to reverse, this is where the supreme took the profit. And if we can select for this one handle, let us see where the supreme is. You can see it is exact where there is a resistance in minute 15. This is where the supreme take the profit, because it noticed that there is a resistance there from all the way from this place, and see you'll be in a good profit. So it is very, 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 very simple, guys, when trading with this system. So in every pair, then the good thing is we have selected the pairs that you are supposed to use, because these are the pairs that are trading good in the market, guys. Let us even pick Euro EJ, and remember, because we are doing scalping, one is for 15 minutes and the other one is for the handle, TFX Agatha handle, and this one, it is TFX EA. And let us see what the market is saying here. Let us go to 4 hours. and see. I'm just showing you something here. Guys, what else do you want? This is professional, guys. This one is a resistant. We changed to a support, and this is where the market continue going up. And this is where people missed expecting a sell, but immediately the market continue going up. What about our system? See, the same area, it is this one, and the robot take the trade from this point. It won't, there is nothing like closing with the loss because now it never changed this direction. And this robot will take all the way from that place to here. This is where the robot will close the trade because I believe there was a supreme at this point because this is a buy supreme. So all this you would have been in a good trade. So this is why I'm advising you to use 4 hours and 15 minutes for those people who are doing scalping and for those people also who will be trading with a trading plan. It is simple as that, 4 hours and 15 minutes. And in 15 minutes, it's where you attach the robot, and 4 hours, it's where you attach the handle. Simple as that. From there, let the robot does everything for you. It will take the position at the right time, and it will take the profit at the right time, guys. And there is nothing like loss is like only, even if it's not 2%. That's how the system is so is working. Now, let us go to a trading plan that you'll be using. That you'll be using. That you'll be using when trading with that account of $100. This is our trading plan, TFX's TFX trading plan. And now, guys, because we are using 15 pairs, these are 15 pairs. Forget about the code. I added NZD USD and Euro USD. Those are for the second class in our the pairs we shared in our channel group. So we are picking 15 pairs, and you are not just going to pick 2 or 3. You are going to pick all. Pick all. Even if you are using the Renko, pick all pairs, 13 or 15. If you want to work with 13, just remove Euro USD. You know where the first class are. You can pick all for the first class in our channel, in our Telegram channel group. And now, here, I want you to pick 13 or 15. Now let us do the mathematics for 15 pairs. Now, you will choose all 15 pairs. The reason why you are choosing the 15 pairs, there is sometimes this one doesn't have, maybe there is no entries. In these pairs, there is entry. It always goes like that. And now, using 15 pairs, let's go to our trading plan. I would like you now to see how much is to in day 15. Let's go to day 15 for instance and see where we can start, because now we are working with 15 pairs. 15 pairs means that, because we are using 15 pairs, this means that in these 15 pairs in a cent account of $100, and remember, $100, it will reflect like it's a $10,000 in your account. So $10,000, it's like $10,000, but don't forget it's 10,000 cents. So 10,000 cents, we will use 0.02 in every pair. 0.02 in every pair. So because we are working with 15 pairs, how much is 0.02 by 15? This is by 15 pairs, this means it's 0.3. Yeah, this is 0.3. Let's go to our trading plan. Yeah, in our trading plan, we are not going to start here in day 1, 0.06. We are going to see where is 0.3, because working with 0.02 with 15 pairs, we need to have a target of the day. So this means that this is where we find 0.03, but this is 0.32, not bad. So all we can do here, we can delete this one in order not to get confused, so that you can start, you can delete that one and save. You can just write, click Control S for those people who use using Windows. So now this will just count this one as our day one. Are you getting my point? We will start counting from this one because we have deleted this one. This is our lot size that we are using. And because we are not using in one pair 0.32, we are using in all 15 pairs. I just want you to get this correctly because this is where you are going to make money without blowing your account because Agatha is almost 100% sure bet. So 95% is almost 100 sure bet. It's only because we can't, the losses must be there, but it is not the way people expect from the ES. This one, the loss are very, 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 very low. And this is why I'm saying it's 95% because sometimes you can lose some few pips. Now, here, we are going to start here as our day one because we have deleted that one. We are going to use, this one is the lot size that we have divided in our 15 pairs. So in every pair, we have 0.02 in 15 pairs. So the first target of the day, it is this one, right? This is the first target of the day so that we can start growing. Don't tell me this is 600, forget about this one because even your account, it's like it have $10,000. So starting here, it's like already we have completed earning all these targets. But if you want to start from day one, there is no problem. You can start from day one. But because we have chosen the 15 pairs, I can suggest that we can start here. So our first day, this will be our target, 95 cents. And I just want you to see, some will say, this is why people are losing money because of greediness. What is now 95 cents? That is so small, you'll never make money. Just make it a journey. This is why I'm telling you, we are giving 2 EAs, one for the cent account because I want you to be patient with that account and see the result by the end of the day. Now, by having these 95 cents, which is like, 95 cents, now let us grow now from there. So your account will start growing and you'll be starting, you'll be giving this lot size for 2 days. So you are expecting to hit 2 targets with the same lot size of 0.02. Then we go to our next target, which is 111 cents. So in every lot size that you'll be adding before we get into 1.1, before we get in this the 20, let us call it the 22, so that you cannot get confused. When you get into before you get in day 20, get this in mind. Before you get here, every lot size after hitting the target of the day, don't add lot size until you hit the second target. After hitting now the second target, now you can adjust. You'll always multiply, you'll always divide this one. And instead of doing that, now we are going to add from 0.02 to 0.03 to all pairs. This is why we have to hit 2 targets before we add any lot size. So for this day 14, we are going to add 0.03 to all pairs. Then from there, we are going to hit two targets, that target and this one. Now, from day 15 now, after hitting 2 targets, and I'm confidently telling you why you will hit target, you must hit the target. TFX Agatha, there is no joke. Then we are going to day 16. The day 16 also, we are going to hit 2 targets. And remember when I'm saying day 16, I don't mean that you will be hitting the target every day. Sometimes market consolidate, sometimes maybe you lost $28 cents, you recover those cents. So I'm talking about day after hitting the target. So that's what I mean, because we don't control market. So sometimes markets, you may not find the right, maybe the robot will not find maybe sometimes the right It can't pick just signal just like that. It can only pick when there is a clear and a good entry, and sometimes market consolidate. But I'm confidently you can always hit this target almost every day, because especially when you are using 4 hours and 15 minutes, right? Now, you will be adding position only with 1, 1, 1. So meaning from 0.03, 0.04, 0.05. And this will be only happening after hitting 2 targets. After hitting 2 targets, that's when you will add your lot size. I believe this one now is correct. After we get now to a point of working with $1, because maybe let's say, for instance, this is 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, and 0.05. Now, when working with 0.06, which is from day 20, and don't get lost. If you forgotten anything, you just contact me, then I can guide you in that, or in what to do. I'll be guiding you in what to do, because we can make a plan. If we can all start, we can all start together. We can start all together, so that we can go this, we can contact one another of how we are going in the day that we are trading. And I think that's a good idea. So when we are trading with 0.06, guys, now from this point, you'll be hitting 4 targets before adjusting any lot size. Why am I saying this? I'm saying this because guys, we want always to be safe and never to lose any money. And surprisingly, let me surprise you. Everybody who will purchase this one, I will add you on our VIP Signal group, where we'll be sharing everything, so that we can do things together. So you have to contact me so that we can start all together. We will add you also in our VIP group. So from adding 0.06, you will start adding after hitting 4 targets. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. After hitting these 4 targets, there is when you will add another 0.07, because I don't want anyone to lose money, and I want everyone to be profitable. Right? I believe now we are doing, I'm communicating, so don't get lost. From there, you can continue adding lot size 0.08, and make sure you hit 4 targets before adding any lot size. And I think that is clear. So we are going to start with the two targets, and from there, when we get to day 20, we will only adding pair lot size after hitting 4 targets. From there, 4 targets until we finish the contract. The contract is supposed to only to take like 2 or 3. No, it can't even take 3. Okay, let's say if it will go, if it will take long, it will only take 3 months. And in 3 months, whether you'll believe it or not, this will be your result. And let's say maybe you lost some games and you never maybe recover them because you just want the blah blah. But I'm not sure with Agatha. This will be your result. So this means in 3 months, I'm counting 3 months because in 3 months is where we have a 60 days of trading. And I believe it can't reach that 3 months. It's like 2 months, because there is sometimes you will be hitting targets like 3 times per day, 2 times, 3 days, 4 times, 1 time per day. And sometimes there is that day you will not even hit a target because of market condition. Now, let's give it a target of 3 months. 3 months, you will raise from that $100 to $10,000. Now this one, it's not $1.4 million because here the total said in 61 days we are supposed to have $1.4 million. No, just this because it's cents. $1 million, it's like 10,000. $1.4 million cents. It's like $10,000 clean now. $10,000. 10,000. I don't want to, when you get to $5,000 and say, oh, now I can jump to universal account. Don't go to standard account, because we say this one, we want, when you get now to $10,000, you can take like $5,000 and start thanking yourself. Then you can go now to standard account with $5,000 with the same trading plan. And from there now, you will start with the day one. That's when you will start with the day one. And you see, by the end of the 60 days, you'll have now more than $500,000. Believe me or not. But it's when you are working with the trading plan. How I wish we can have from even 10 people with the Agatha, so that we can do this in a group. Yeah, so that we can deposit like 10,000, everyone, so that we can guide you. Today we are in day 3, today we are in day 4. We can work these two together. I can deposit my 10,000, other people 10,000, so that I can guide you in this trading plan. And by the end of the year, after the end of the 2 or 3 months, everybody will see. And there is when you will transform your financial status. So guys, if we get more than 10 people, from 10 people, guys, we can create a group for doing this trading plan. Simple and clear with the Agatha. It can guide you, because sometimes some people, I don't know where to start. I don't know. If you don't know where to start, you can start with the day one. But if you cannot get confused, you can delete all this one to that point and call this day one and start from there. It is simple. It's not hard. I know something I don't understand correctly. You can start here like a day one. Use this lot size, divide by the 15 pairs. Use every lot size you see here, divide by the pairs that you have. And the one thing, remember, before you add any lot size from this place to this place, make sure you hit 2 targets. And from now, from this place, you'll always add lot size after hitting 4 targets. And I believe that is clear, guys. What else can I say? Let's jump to 8, guys. Subscribe our TFX Agatha EA, and let us do this trading plan together and make a lot of money. Let us transform from $100 to $10,000 in less than 3 months. Let us give a target of 3 months, but if it goes even 1 month, well and good, because it can go even 1 month according to the condition of the market. And from there, you'll be having your own account that because we are giving to EA, you'll have one account that you'll be trading by your own. And I suggest, if you purchase any of our system EA, I would like you to use the trading plan. Don't just place the lot size because you want to do it like that. No, just ask me for this trading plan so that I can send for you. You can start from here if you have the standard account. And if you want to do it in a cent account, do as I said. And if you want us to work together, guys, just contact me so that we can have the account of this Agatha group. Then we can grow from $100 and above. Thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TFX, guys. Anything that maybe you want us to clarify more, guys, don't hesitate to contact. And let me tell you for free, it is not time to give up. It is not time to guess. It is not time to doubt. It is time to make money, right? If it is not now, then there is no another day. It's now or never. Thank you so much. Welcome to TFX family.